Hi, my name is Rahul Shah and I head the private client business with Phillip Capital India, which is part of Phillip Capital Singapore. I'm an engineer and a management graduate. I distinctly remember that after my 10th standard exams, I joined Indo-American Society for Public Speaking classes. I met one Mr. Bimal Mehta there who had finished his 12th standard exams in science and come to take the classes. He recommended that for my 12th standard exams, I must take Professor Purushottam for maths, as he thought he was one of the best in that field. I joined Agrawal classes for physics and chemistry and decided to take Professor Purushottaman for maths tuitions. I approached sir. After following up with him for almost 2 to 3 months, he agreed to even meet me as he was not keen to take up tuitions in South Mumbai. Somehow, I managed to convince him with the condition that we gather a batch of 4 students. It was very difficult at that point of time to get 4 students, as sir was not very popular in this side of town. However, I was determined to have Professor Purushottam as my maths teacher, and I managed to get 4 students and left no option with sir but to come and teach us. After taking 4 to 5 classes, sir called up my father and told him that he doesn't want to continue teaching us, as he thought that we were quite naughty and we could not perform in class 12th. However, my father assured him that we will do well, and with great difficulty managed to convince him to continue the classes. After initial teething problems, we gelled well. We paid a lot of attention and sir enjoyed teaching us. It went pretty smooth. Whenever we did well in the practice exam, sir took us to 5-star restaurants for dinner. That was his way of rewarding the performers and performance and motivate his kids. This was a unique experience for us too, because so far no one had treated us like friends than students. The result was outstanding. Out of 4 of us, 2 got 99 on 100 and topped the university. I got 98 on 100. Suddenly Professor Purushottaman had become a big name in South Mumbai. Anybody who wanted to take science as a career choice post 10th standard wanted to take tuitions from Professor Purushottam. It was a big success. After 12th standard, I joined engineering college. I was in touch with sir and also recommended 4 to 5 students to him. At that point of time, sir was running classes in South Mumbai in 3 shifts daily. He deserved it. I was also invited as one of the chief guests for the prize distribution ceremony for one of his junior batches. It was a great lesson for me. Do few things well. Sir knew maths and he knew it so well that he could solve each and every problem with a lot of comfort and ease. He also knew how to teach maths and bond with his students. According to me, these are the 2 main pillars of his success. I wish sir all the best for his future endeavors. Thank you.